Hello, we've produced 3 short videos that explain 1. The problem, 2. Our solution, and 3. The customer journey, all presented through my own AI avatar. Let's dive into a key challenge we face when feeding our own content into chatbots. There are 2 primary methods at play here, using a vector database and LLM fine-tuning. But each has its unique limitations, which I'll explain now. Imagine a circle. This represents the ideal range of responses a chatbot should cover. Imagine interacting with a customer service chatbot where you can ask any question, not just about opening hours or information easily found on the website. This chatbot can handle various questions, tailored to each individual's way of asking. Now, let's look at the first method, using a vector database. Picture this as a triangle. The problem is, a triangle can't cover the entire circle perfectly. It might cover a significant part, but there will always be areas of the circle left exposed. This represents the gaps in response coverage when relying solely on a vector database. On the other hand, we have LLM fine-tuning, which can be visualized as an oval. This oval overlaps with the circle more effectively than the triangle, covering a broader range of responses. However, it also extends beyond the circle, indicating that LLM fine-tuning can sometimes produce responses that are outside of our desired scope. If you use a chatbot, you'll encounter a universal problem. The absence of a baseline makes it challenging to improve the chatbot. So, we have a triangle that doesn't fully cover the circle, and an oval that covers but also exceeds the circle. This is the dilemma we face with current chatbot technologies. In our next video, we'll explore how we can address this mismatch between the vector, triangle, and LLM oval models and the ideal response range, circle. Stay tuned for an insightful discussion on finding a solution to optimize our chatbots effectively. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to delving deeper into this topic in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights. Hello again, everyone. Welcome to video 2 of our series. In the first video, we discussed the challenges of integrating personalized content into chatbots. Today, we're going to explore the solution to this problem. Our definition of optimization involves a multi-step process. First, we define the goal statement, measure data and processes, then analyze them for optimal solutions, and finally, build upon these insights for improvement. When you have a few documents to base a chatbot on, it's feasible to manually test the quality of each response. However, even with a small amount of data, this becomes a daunting task, as it requires multiple perspectives and testers. Additionally, every time you adjust optimization settings, you need to run new tests. With many configuration options available, and considering nuances like accuracy and comprehensiveness, the task becomes even more complex. That's why we've developed an AI model called COMB, Continuous Optimization Mediated by Benchmarking, which automatically handles these challenges. COMB is designed to tackle the issue of measuring and optimizing chatbot responses. Let's take an example to illustrate this. Imagine we have different types of queries: factual, holistic, and behavioral. A factual query could be something like, "What did you do on the 7th December?" A holistic one might be, "Describe what you do on the 24th of December in general." And a behavioral query could be, "What are your thoughts on Christmas?" If we go back to the analogy from video 1, where we compared the models to shapes, we have the factual responses represented by the top left corner of the circle, the holistic in the right corner, and the behavioral at the bottom. With the COMB model, we can feed hundreds of queries into each category and then measure the chatbot's performance. For instance, in factual queries, it might score 54%, in holistic ones maybe around 15%, and in behavioral around 30%. This baseline helps us identify where the chatbot is performing well and where it needs improvement. If the chatbot is primarily for customer support and it's performing poorly in factual queries, we know that's where we need to focus our optimization efforts. What's crucial with COMB is that it gives us a baseline across different response types, enabling targeted optimization. In the next video, Customer Journey, we'll delve into how we apply these insights to optimize chatbots further and how COMB can be adapted or expanded to cover various quality parameters. Optimization in AI, as many know, is a process that has only just begun. For instance, a year ago, there was an average of 1.5 new AI models released daily. Now, there are over 1,600 models released per day, equating to more than one per minute. Keeping up with these advancements is crucial for further optimization and providing better customer support through a chatbot. With Freya, you get the opportunity to stay abreast of these developments until it can perform even better than a human. Thank you for joining me in this second part of our series. Stay tuned for more insights into how we can enhance chatbot interactions. Hello and welcome to video 3. In our first video, we addressed the problem of integrating personalized content into chatbots. In the second video, we discussed the COM model for measuring and optimizing chatbot responses. Now, let's delve into the customer journey and how this process provides you with valuable insights for strategic decision-making in your business. We have incorporated some methodologies from Lean Six Sigma to utilize well-known tools for process optimization. This approach consists of 5 steps: define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. Define. The process starts with a small set of data to feed into our models. This is where we define and understand the specific problems we aim to solve. Let's say it's for support purposes. From there, we move to the next phase: data collection and creating benchmarks. Measure. For example, we might want to develop a chatbot that can handle 20% of our support department's workload. This is not just about substituting human support, but about understanding and optimizing the chatbot based on initial models. Analyze. Once we receive data from you, we build a tailor-made chatbot that can adapt to your needs. This chatbot is then tested with the data provided. We start by gathering factual, holistic, and behavioral responses, each offering different insights. Improve. Based on the analyses and understanding the baseline, we can adjust the settings to achieve our goal statement. Control. As we progress through the process, we reach an important phase: the report. In the report, you'll get answers to questions like: how well does it understand my context? How often does it provide the correct response? What questions does it not answer? Where does it make assumptions or guess? And more subjective areas: does it represent me? Does it respond as I would? This report shows where the baseline was set and the extent of improvements made through optimizations. This provides a much more informed foundation for making strategic decisions about the chatbot's future role and direction. The culmination of this journey is not just about reaching a baseline, but about developing a strategic approach based on informed decisions. Through AI, which can evaluate and optimize these models automatically, we gain a comprehensive understanding of how to improve and apply these chatbots strategically in your business. So, that's what I've prepared for you in this video. I hope it gives you a clearer picture of the customer journey in the world of AI and chatbots. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insights.